finding the values for equations given in function notation. So one of the first things that you need to remember about this is that this does not mean f times 0. This means find the function f and then replace your input variable, your independent variable, with the number 0 and work the problem out. So I find my function f. I see that my input variable is x, so I replace my x's with 0. So I have f of 0 equals 2 times 0 plus 1. So f of 0 equals 1. That's all that is asking you to do. You cannot divide that 0 over. You leave it like that, saying, my function name is f, I replaced my independent variable with 0, and I got the answer of 1. Doing that with f of negative 2. So I have the function name is f, I'm replacing it with a negative 2. My equation is 2 times negative 2 plus 1. So that's giving me negative 4 plus 1, which gives me negative 3. So f of negative 2 is negative 3. And then the last one for this set, f of 3. So f of 3 equals 2x plus 1. But I'm replacing the x with 3. So that's giving me 6 plus 1, which gives me 7. So f of 3 is 7. That should be a lowercase f. So that's all that's asking you to do. It's not saying divide that 3 over, because that is not multiplying. Now, if we had to write these as an ordered pair, so as an ordered pair, this would become 0, 1. My input, my independent, is 0. My output, my dependent, is 1. My x is 0. My y is 1. This one becomes negative 2 for x, comma, negative 3 for y. And this one down here, I put in the number 3 for x, and I got the number 7 out for y. So that would be ordered pair notation. This is function notation. Same thing over here. Different numbers, same idea. So first thing we're going to do is replace the x with 0. And then we find out what is the absolute value of 0. Second one, I replace the x with negative 2. I'm looking at the absolute value of negative 2. So when I take my absolute value, I get rid of the negative sign, and I have f of negative 2 equals positive 2. Well, just plain 2. Not even positive, just plain 2. Last one. F of 3 equals absolute value of x, which is now 3, what is the absolute value of 3? It's just plain 3. So writing these in ordered pair form This one becomes x is 0, comma, y is 0. This one, my x, is -2, comma, my y is 2. Down here, my x is 3, and my y is 3. So there's my ordered pair form. The number in the parentheses here with your function name, that is your x, and what you get at the end of working your problem out is your y.